Right, threat yacho yaiswa in vernacular hanzi kana mukangoita chemeeting ichocho uchatsvira mumba ndichibaya uyo wanga aisirwa that ningirikiri death threat. And ukada kutarisa kutriple C uku yaenda ikanonyora paX payo about this development, hanzi Honorable Amos Chibaya and Senator Vongai Tome have received chilling death threats for their courage stand against Cab 3 and reported the matter to the nearest police stations. In the past week, Honorable Monica Mukwada Musaka and Councillor Sophia have enjoyed terrifying visits to their home over the same issue. The regime in Harare, long known for its violence and oppressive tactics, has now turned its fury against ordinary citizens who dare to oppose the anti-people bill. But let it be clear, intimidation will not silence us. We will use every legal and constitutional channel to resist this anti-people constitutional amendment. No matter the threats we raise, you claim that citizens overwhelmingly support your bill. If that were true, why do you fear the people you insist are behind it? Fellow citizens, this is not just Chibaya's fight, nor Tome's, nor Mukwada's. This is our fight. It is a fight for every Zimbabwean, for our dignity, for our rights, for the space guaranteed to us by the Constitution. Let us stand together, united and unyielding, to defend what belongs to us all. So, those are izvizvi. Some people already now are getting death threats. We did see ZANU-PF yakataura iyo in a cryptic way kuti whoever is opposing the bill will face paging even after its conclusion. So bill rakatopaswa muparliament and it is now going to be tabled and voted on by the Senate. Saka takatoona already the death of Victor Matema Danda, and now we are seeing the chilling death threats against Honorable Amos Chibaya of the Triple C. Saka ndo mamiriro akaita zvinhu izvezvi. ZANU-PF are not stopping at anything. They've always threatened people in the past and they continue to do so. So whenever they don't get their way, they use my threats anenge iyo haya. Saka pakaipa, it is not looking good at all. But we wait now to see what is going to become of the bill and what is going to become of these threats at Obuda, because apparently Chibaya and the others have actually reported to the ZRP, but we all know the ZRP nemakotsi in Zimbabwe, they are also run by the same as a PF regime. Saka toda kuona kuti chii chichaitika, but at the moment ndoma one aripo. If you're new to the channel, please click subscribe. Also feel free to comment, to like and to share this publication. Until the next video, guys, thank you so much.